Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that may answer your questions or doubts you have in your circumstance, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Ace of Stars in reverse, Seven of Spheres and Six of Stars. So in your situation, guys, Pisces, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, you have travel plans, guys. Maybe you are traveling for work or you are moving to a different place, maybe for work, or it may be a holiday. And you are someone who is trying to change the way things are. Maybe in your work situation, circumstances are quite stressing or you are anxious about something and you want to change the atmosphere. So maybe you are moving to a different place for work. So some kind of change you are trying to see a difference, guys. So you are anxious about certain things, maybe in your work situation. In the present work area, you have some difficulty, and or maybe your good work has been appreciated and you are getting a promotion, maybe, guys, for some of you. So you are moving to a different place, maybe, or you are taking a break. You have a break, you have completed some projects successfully and you are taking a break, enjoying your time, happy for this break, maybe, guys. And you are trying to relax yourself, trying to detox from some kind of a stressful circumstance you were in. You were facing a lot of pressure, lot of stress in the past, and you are trying to change things, detox from your situation. And maybe for some of you, it may be a break from this connection. Maybe this person and yourself, you had a very ugly situation. Maybe there was a lot of anger, argument, and you are quite embarrassed, and you are unable to go on in the same way, fighting with them, arguing with them. That may be the reason for this break, taking a break away from this person, maybe. So you want to change the way things are today, guys. You don't want to stress yourself anymore or make you anxious or make you embarrassed or make you angry. So you don't want to be angry anymore. That may be the reason you are moving away, or this may be their energy. So they are moving away because they don't want to be angry. They don't want to be emotional. They want to resolve this situation, guys, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. And this, if you are in a temporary, if you are in a separation, it may be a temporary break, guys. You may not worry. You need not worry, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is this card, the first card. It is Celestite. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys, and with this crystal spirit, it stands for divine energy and clear channels of communication. So maybe today you are in a circumstance you need to communicate about yourself, or you want to communicate to someone close to you about something, and today you will get angels or guides who understand you, who send you love and come with a helping attitude to help you with any specific challenges you are facing in this relationship, guys. Maybe you need clear communication, and this angels, crystal spirits angels guidance is helping you to communicate your deep thoughts with this person. So you may get help. For some of you it may be some kind of a thought, a subconscious thought, something that comes out of on its own, something telling you. It may be like an intuition or some kind of a sign. Or for some of you it may be this angel's guidance may come through a friend or a teacher or healer who will connect you with that person with whom you need to have that open communication, guys. And this angel's guidance will come to you through strangers or through some people whom you whom you have never met before. So you need to be really attentive, guys, to receive this guidance or help that is coming towards you. And all you need to do is just pray honestly, request honestly deep inside your heart if you need any help today, and that is going to reach you immediately, guys. So that is the energy with this card, the Celestite crystal spirit, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is building blocks. So in our situation, guys, in our relationship today, you are moving into a very a situation where you are trying to solidify the relationship you already have, or you are attracting new relationships with where you'll be able to build a strong foundation based on honesty, clear communication and genuine desire to understand each other. So you are working towards laying that groundwork for this relationship, where you will be able to build that firm footing that will ensure that this relationship will last, will withstand any storm that you are facing. So whatever troubles or whatever arguments or misunderstandings that may come in this relationship, you both will be able to withstand all that if you have a firm foundation built on trust, honesty, love and clear communication. So only that is going to make this relationship a positive working one, guys. So for those who chose this card stands for strengthening and also repairing. Maybe you need to communicate with this person, or you need to understand them, build that strength in this connection. This is the time for that. So you both are going to be stronger, wiser and powerful together than apart. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.